Now we're going to stand back, and we are going to let these two characters play it out. Get the ball. Right here. Oh, if Shaq gets this, you're losing. MJ, get down there.
Oh.
You're losing now, big guy. We're going to have to do some quick thinking here, okay? We want some defense. We're going to have to pull one double. One double. Here it comes. Now, still that ball out of his beak. MJ, you may have seen MJ, but you're not doing too good. Come on now. Get on down there. You're losing the game. We want defense because this game is running out of time. We don't have a whole lot of time. Come on.
That is
Get over
hilarious.
there.
Wow.
He has speed, I
I love
have
how
to
he does
say.
that with his mouth.
I know, he's
That
pushing
is,
it along.
that is so
Well,